Hi guys, how are you guys doing today? I came out with my kids today to play. Hmm? The weather is so cool. Davy, say hi. Davy, say hi. Say hi now. Mama, say hi. Mama, hi. um, what is it? Where are you? Where are you? Is it the dog? The dog? Hmm? The dog? The dog has gone now. It has gone. Yeah.
Jesse, why would you pass the ball? I don't know where.
If you know how to much. Okay, I see it now.
Just for your sake.
David, come back from that place. Please, David, leave the ball. My phone will fall. Leave the ball. Don't worry. Let me do video. Let me do video, Papa. Yeah. I want to do video. Come and stay here. Let us dance together. Please. Yeah, let's dance. Come, let us dance here. Come and see yourself in the video. Yeah, leave the ball. Come this side. Yeah, come. You push it. Let me push it before that. You want to climb? Mama, go down. Go down. Hold the baby.
All you need to do is to press.
Bubu, come.
Jesse, come and
Come
join
this
them.
side. Come and join them.
Keep the front of your camera.
Oh yeah, sit. Sit, baby. This madam. See mama, see your baby. Not every shake. You want to come out? You want to play this one?
You want to play this?
Small, just small. Yeah, okay, she push it stronger.
Hey.
Bubu, go and say now. What happened? Yeah, see yourself. See yourself. I should give you my phone.